Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have a Camry and the car doesn't want to start. You crank it, it doesn't want to start. We come here. When we jump power from this wire here to this fuse, the car starts. So you see here, we have too much corrosion here, and also too much corrosion. Maybe the wire broke somewhere. We are not sure. But there's gotta be something wrong somewhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the terminal out. It's not it. We're gonna take the terminal out and look for why we are not getting power there, which is very funny. Okay, now we have to check. We have to check this one here. Go under and see what's going on. I'm gonna open this cover here and look behind. All the wire is good or not. Feel like something here wrong. As we spoke before about this 2007 Toyota Camry, the reason why this thing happened here in this car, we have to take all this, the fuse, the battery, terminal and everything, and we have to take the cover that is here under it. And if you notice here, in this corner here, and this corner here, this is salt. The salt that's coming from the street because of the snow, and the main reason is not because this salt or the water that coming here, slush that coming here, and is go under here, accumulate here in this place, and what happen is it damage this piece. You see this piece here, you get corrosion, or this computer, this module here, as you see, you get hit very bad. You see, notice here, and he messed up everything. I'm not sure if the module is still good or not, but this is the power. You see, this is the in and out that eliminate the ignition switch, the functionality of all these small stuffs here. You see, one screw here is missing, but I don't know if that's important or not. But our problem here, because of what's causing this one, there is no skirt here. You see, there is no skirt to protect this. When the car running and water or humidity or snow hit here, it will go all the way inside here, and it will go outside there. And what happened next? It will destroy all this. This wire also may be cut because of it. See this wire, and you know, like you're driving and you're just hitting all the dust all the way there. At the end, what happened is go inside the fuse box or the fuse junction relay here and fuse, and it damage. You see what happened here. So what we need to do now is very simple. We need to get this module and the wiring harness together. We must have it. If we don't get it, we are in trouble. This car, the guy is lucky. The car doesn't catch fire. But this is 2007 Toyota Camry with crank, no startability problem, with no power coming to this fuse here. And actually, this fuse is the fuse that related to ignition 1 or ignition 2 or something like that. So when I put power here from the battery, the car start. car start and run. So I say, why I'm not getting power here? Let me go inside. When I come inside here, I took this module out, and guess what? This is what I'm getting. Raymond, one minute, please. Yeah, just come hold this for me while you're talking on the phone. So what we need to do, I'm going to open this quick and see if you have to come and go look for this. You see what happened here? Just. You want me to tape you? No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so look here. Now I'm gonna. Mahmoud, come. Okay, now this problem here. We need this piece and the connector. You see what happened here, Mahmoud? Okay, Raymond, you see for this 2007, you know the main reason why? The car maybe have an accident long time. You see this salt?
Yeah.
You know where this salt coming from? From the tire.
Oh.
Because they don't have a skirt. You know the cover here?
You don't have that there?
You see the fender cover here?
Yeah.
Now the water go all the way from here, and not only water, he accumulating all the salt.
Okay.
And guess what? It get into here. You see here? From here, it go here. It come in this place here. Hold this for me. And now what happened? Let me show you what happened here. I'm gonna open this, and he burn out this piece. The module, I don't know if it's completely burned. I don't believe this module is gonna work anymore. So this guy, when we tell people don't, when tell you buy part, the body shop tell you, hey, we need this piece. You say no, I don't want it. Now the salt. This one here is stuck, finished, burned. Let me see if I can take those. If everything is okay, it will go out easy, right? 1, 2, 3, easy. Now this one here, it's not go. It messed up, finish. You cannot put this one. So what we need to do is, we need to get this. You cannot put it this one anymore, finish. So we need to get this module, and we need to get the harness too. So we have to get the jumper, you get the whole fuse box, and then we're gonna take what we need from.
Yeah, and just cut this one.
Yeah, we're gonna cut here, and then we solder those 4 wire inside correctly, and then we do. But this one here is messed up already. It's no good anymore. You see, if it's good like this, it can come out, but it look like it's already.
It burned.
Yeah, it burns and melt. Yeah. So what's gonna happen now is, I'm gonna take a picture of this. Okay, you have to get this piece for us. We need this piece. No starting. Oh yeah. Look, this one have to push in. Push this one, but it's gone. You can't put this one anymore.
No, that's why I broke it. That's not good.
It's messed up. So you have to go right now look for a junkyard or get a fuse box for it. Look it. But please, if you have a car, and don't let okay. He's lucky. You see, like I have people say, look, a car catch fire on the snow day. You see, on the snow, a lot of car catching fire, and you're wondering why. And this is one of the reasons. Yeah, it's gone. You see, all this is gone. So we need this one with the wire. So we're gonna look for the fuse box itself. I'm gonna send him this video to my customer, and then we're gonna see what needs to be done. This car is not gonna start. After that car, the gray one finished, we can move it, put it in that side. And then I'm gonna send him, I'm gonna call him now to go look for this fuse box. 2007 Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please, here, we're the best technician ever, Mr. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you in another video. Okay, we need this piece. We need the whole fuse box. I don't believe they sell this one for you. and then we're gonna put it together, solder this wire. This is the engine computer. Do we need to put all this back here? I'm not sure. Yeah. Do we need that one here through this? We need to have a space here to solder those wires. Because if we don't, if we try to put it back like this, we're gonna have trouble. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. I'll see you in another video.